fuck is happening? Stream is blank. Completely blank. Am I actually streaming? Everything is good. Everything seems good. What is wrong in this country now? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I don't see myself streaming. Oh, now I do. Now I think there should be one concurrent. I don't know what's happening. What the fuck is this? Just give me a second. Okay. Yes. Very nice. I think we are good to go. I hope so. Bit of l'écran. Can you see the screen, mister? You see the screen share? Hello? Hello? Fuck. Schnack's Schnacks. So how many lines can I see? 20. Okay, so 1 to 1. Okay. Okay. Let's bump this up to 16. CD plugins. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything. Every single thing. CD. So CD Neovim ls nv init nv init Lua. setting color scheme as per document, as per Cyberdream documentation. Okay. Yes. So the after slash ft plugin, and we mark down the Lua. So this is the conceal level just for this one. So cd dot and then dot. So let's go to Lua cd. Wait, cd plugin. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's the thing that we made. So so if I do and we float them, we should have this here, but it is not a toggle key. I need to, yeah. So do list. I have all of this. I've done all of this shit. I took a look at this. This I still need to do because I'm trying. I will update the theme. So if I do appearance, manage one night, please go and support me. And I will be updating the theme to include centered images. So wait a second, let me show you. First of all, let's go to, I don't know, tutorial 3, and then also let's go to like something like concurrency control where there is an image. Okay, there's not image, so let's go to, I don't know, like what, concurrency control techniques, I don't know. Yeah, so there's images here. So basically what I've done now is I'm adding so if I do something like cd obsidian cd themes theme slash one nice with theme.md, so I've added this. This is working fine because we are only targeting the image. So yank around word, undo, yank around word. So yeah, so we are just targeting the image. There's nothing just simple that, just display a block, place no margin, so that the margin becomes centered, it becomes center in the page, and then the display is not a flex, it's just a block, so meaning that everything is like here, like you see this is a block of things, this is a block, and then we have another block. It's not like flex where I can have columns and stuff. And now for the tables, I'm trying to take a look at the tables again. As you can see, this is not right. Let's try changing this. So bottom left radius, so last child first child, undo. So this is the same fucking shit. Okay, it doesn't change anything. no, first child, last child. So last bottom left border, bottom left radius. This should be undo. This should be right. Is this going to work? Do I know what I am doing? No, I don't know what I'm doing. It's okay. So this is the top left radius and then the bottom left radius. So it should be the last child. Last child. Oh, there we go. So this was first child, first dash child. It would not work. Okay, so there's so this needs to be the last child, and then because it's the last cell in that thing, it's the last cell. I'm trying to do, okay, this is not working. I need to be able to target all of these. So basically I'm trying to change this, and I'm gonna update it when I am able to, you know, actually do it. So yeah, I need to learn. I never learn HTML tables, to be honest. Tables, I mean I just have this, but I never learned the CSS and stuff like that. So I mean I don't know what I am doing, to be honest. I mean I know the like this is what it's doing and stuff like that, but this, no, I don't know what's doing. This I kind of see. You kind of see that we have this, but you can see here if I do something like the border of 10, let's add a bit more, 100. Okay, so px. Okay, you can see that this is red and this is green. I want this line to be red, and this line, the above line of this data, this cell, I want this to be, what do you say, transparent, and I want this to be red, so that when it overlaps it still it's going to be red. But right now it's yellow. It's not actually yellow, just like the border, it's like the red part, and then the green part is like making a middle, like it's like in the middle of the thing. Like you can take this width and then you can take this width and like divide it by 2, something like that. It's in the middle. That's why it seems yellow, but it's not yellow. It's actually red up top and green at the bottom, and in this case the green is like more contrasty, so it just, you know, get this. So I will have to update this. Back to our regular programming session. So I am going to check everything. So I had this, so I made this with advent of Neovim, whereby we created a screen width and height, and then so we created also a state whereby if it's actually floating and stuff like that, and then this is the function to actually create the window and then move it to the center of the screen, and if it actually is open, if not, you don't do anything. And extra. Here you actually set out like how the border is gonna look, because space fh. So no, it's not really that. Is it that? Space fh. So let's say border. So you have everything like so Neovim border. Alright. Border style, you see, like we have a border style, we have double and stuff like that, like all of this we have, like you can see here we can have all of these things, and I prefer the rounded because like gives it a more modern look and stuff like that. So this is the row and height which were defined above. Yeah, oh, I forgot about this. As you can see, the comment says terminal zoom is also taken into account, how much zoom I zoomed in. So basically you should get something like this, but this is not it. I am not using my thing right now. This is because my thing does not work when I am inside. I don't know if you can I am currently pressing control and then the slash key to toggle this, but if I use the same thing here, for example, if I do space, I don't know, space, so wait, let me just take a look at that map leader P. Okay, there's nothing, so let's do leader P. So I can just remove this, delete in this, and then what do you say, leader P. If I close and if I do float term, and then if I do leader P, I should get this. As you can see, this is not the other one, but this is my thing that I made, you know. But I cannot do this. I cannot leader P again. See, I'm trying to press space P, leader meaning space, and then how do you say, okay, shift P. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? It works? Since when did it work? What the fuck? But this does not work. This one won't work. So wait. Space FC. So if I do what? Revelation. So if I do so coding, and then if I do terminal, yeah, here it is. So if I just like close this, and then if I reload everything, so here NV float term, and then if I do control, you're joking. All of this time it worked, and I didn't know. Okay. I want it. So there's a problem. Still there's a problem. Even though this works, you can see how it goes back to here, the cursor, but I want it to be here and inside insert mode so that I can start typing. So for example, and there's a bit of lag, I don't know why, but there's a bit of lag. Like so pivot to cursor, something like that. You see, I can do my stuff, but I don't know, there's a bit of lag. It's not like this. It's not like the sorry. Wait, what the fuck? It's not like a term. It's like really fast. I don't know the difference. Maybe because I am running it inside a function. I don't know. But I will check out SpaceFO. So what do you say? So what was that? Coding.lua. I will check out how it is implemented. I will check out the local share stuff like that, where this is actually implemented. So that was the float term, and I also have the terminal. I don't know if I actually still have the key map for that, like the way that I press it. Oh yeah, it's still VT. You see, it's a vertical terminal. I can do this, and it's a horizontal terminal. Sorry, space HT, space HT. You get the like the in the VS Code way, and then space HT. Yo, it works. Space HT. No, but it does not give me. It does not go into insert mode. Even if I explicitly how do you say this word? Explicitly say that yo start an insert. So if I do vim space fh, so space fh vim dot cmd, and if I do start in start insert, does that actually fucking work? So space space fh start insert. Yeah, it is a thing. Start insert or terminal mode. Wait a second. Steer. What the fuck is it? Insert this. How do you use this? Start. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. And the terminal start insert. So create the run the terminal command. And can I wait? If I do ls, for example, if I do ls so nv terminal space ht, does not work. Space ht. Now it does. Okay. When I close it, and I reopen it, then it does the thing. So this doesn't work apparently. So ci this, and then if I do term and then ls, okay, it does run it. It did run it. This is what I currently have in that buffer. So if I do this, it did run it. So I don't know how to use it in the function thing, but can I just like do this? Will it work? So exit, so space, yeah, so this is what the plugin that I use for this is called toggle term. Yeah, so space, this is mine by the way, ht, and then space ht, it doesn't work. It doesn't go into insert mode directly there. Shit, really shit. This opens up when it closes, when it hides. So window.hide vertical term.win. This is the vertical term. Yeah. No, what? No, I want the h term, horizontal terminal. So gd, this is the horizontal terminal. Ah, okay, I fucked up. nv terminal. So what the fuck am I doing? Terminal.lua space ht space ht space ht space h. What the fuck? Kinda works. kind of works. So space ht will open it, space ht. Now my keyboard is fucking around, and then okay, so it should go next to the thing, but not in insert mode. Space ht. Okay, it's not going into insert mode again. Oh fucking hell. Create the window, undo. So if I create the window, oh, here's a toggleable terminal. Toggle terminal, so vertical, horizontal terminal, 1 toggle. Yeah. If not there, then create it. And create a horizontal window with this stuff. Create the actual terminal window in that buffer, in that window, and then if the window is already open, then hide it. Wait a second, where is my okay, so my key mapping is set to run this function. Okay, yeah, I get it. But if the buffer is the window buffer is not a terminal, then you create a terminal inside that buffer. So what you have seen like down below when I open the terminal, and then start in insert mode. When you hide it's gonna run this if it's already open, and then when it's rerunning again, it should be going to this spot. No, should not going to this spot. Where is it going actually? Because if it's not created, but it's already created, it just needs to reappear. When it's reappearing, then it's the problem. So I need to look into that. Okay, let me get a piece of paper and I write this down somewhere. So look into terminal. So terminal, I write so creation complete, but appearing problem. I will know like how when it's when I'm getting the problem of appearance, when it's appearing on the screen, then I am not going into insert mode. I will remember. I just wrote it down. So this is for the moment good enough. And then if I go to cd Lua, and if I do so config, I mean this, I haven't really touched anything. It's been basically like this for the past I don't fucking know how many years. I think I will remove this, like what keys I'm pressing. In some things it works, like right now it's working fine, but if I do something now it doesn't work, because I don't know all. I have not, when entering a new window, so space h, so win close, win leave. Do I have win leave here? Let's go win leave then. So when leaving a window, and we auto cmd.lua, so it still works for the moment. So if I do something like, okay, now it's not working here, now it's working in this mode. Oh, fuck off. Auto cmd.lua, now this is working. This is not working now. This is working. Why is it doing this? Let's open this. This is currently working. If I do something like this, it's not working. Okay, running in insert in normal mode works. If I do space q, it crashes. The fuck? just crashes my thing. What the fuck, bro? Space FF, let's say space Q. Now it doesn't crash. Space FF and then lazy, and then I can do my thing here. Now it doesn't work. Okay, and if I do this, it does not crash now. If I press Q or the same key mapping. What the fuck is this, bro? So I'm gonna remove this. Basically, I'm removing this. There's no point in this. There's no point in like doing all of this shit for nothing. It's just a plugin like again. No one is looking at this. If I search for PKG search screen key, install screen key, show keys. No, the application doesn't work on, how do you say that? The application doesn't work on VLAN, I think. Oh, okay. PKG search slope. Install slope. See how it is easy to install things here, and then I can run screen key again, and then show keys, and then preferences. Oh wow. Okay, this is working right now, but why is this show mouse? This is not it, by the way. It should be working everywhere. I don't know, but there's I need to find, see, XID. Selection was cancelled. Yeah, selection was cancelled by keystroke or right click. Okay. Okay, it's the so it's made in Python. Oh wow. Yeah, so so basically I need to find an alternative version to that so that I can still display my keys when I'm streaming, because most people don't know how to, you know, like yank around P. So sorry, VAP. You know, most people like would like take their fucking mouse, place in the right click, copy it. No mate, you don't need to do that. Just say VAP and then yank this 100 times, paste this. You see, I pasted this 100 times. You need to be like this. You can't just, you know, why put yourself in a worse position than your old boss. Don't touch the fucking mouse. That's it. You'll be good. Yeah, so that is the auto command. So I remove the auto keys, the screen key thing. This is my key mappings, how I move and stuff like that. For example, this means when I press J and K, I get sorry, what do you say? I exit insert mode. Control A and extra. I think this is X. I still have this. What the fuck? Yeah, I still space O L. Space F schnacks. So space FC schnacks.lua. You see how we have this. Snacks give you the ability to create auto commands, meaning you can do something like that in Snacks. That is the thing, that is the main purpose of my reconfiguration, is to reconfigure this mess here. I want to learn how to actually use the documentation properly and, you know, do something good, like because I am using one more thing. There's so many things that does the same thing. For example, I told you I made myself when I was learning advent of Neovim with Mr. TJ DeVries, the GOAT. He showed us how to make that Neovim, that horizontal terminal and vertical terminal, and also the floating terminal. But I created a terminal which I am not using. I also have a terminal option in Snacks, as you can see here, and I added still going to use toggle term. I don't even know how to access this. So Lua Snacks dot terminal. I don't know. I need to. Okay, so space fh snacks dot terminal. Okay, it's like this. So you open it with this thing. Okay, let's try it. So I'm gonna say Lua snacks dot terminal. Okay, terminal. See, this one works and insert mode directly. If I kill I don't know how to. Let's do control W. It doesn't work. It's actually a terminal thing. Wow. Okay, no, now it's going back to normal mode. Okay, but I think, and it's false, it's proper false. Yeah, so basically there's many redundancies in my configuration, and I want to make my configuration a bit lightweight. You know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, so this I think is good. I mean, we are going to try to, so node, try to do this in use this with Snacks. So Snacks bruh snacks.nvim space q to close that thing, and then also here. So this is good. Lazy, you know, just lazy, just like copy paste. That is what the documentation tells you to do. I mean, I have as I told you in the in the previous Neovim configuration stream, I told you that I had a lot of folders. Now I just have a single folder. As you can see, I just have a single folder plugins here. Basically, this code, what it's doing is it's trying to look into this folder and all of this file. It is sourcing this file. Basically, it's the same thing as importing a Python module inside. That's what I'm trying to say. It's trying to import your file, import functions.py, you know, import functions, and from that functions, and that is basically what it's trying to do. And also additionally, this is similar to the subprocess module in Python, but here we are doing it with Vim, and you could say Lua also. You could say this is Lua, yeah, but we are using the Vim API, so Neovim's API, you know. So we are actually doing, instead, you see how it's like git clone. This is actually being run like git clone HTTPS, you know what I'm trying to say. This is actually like what is being run in the terminal, and whereby lazy path is the data path for Neovim. For if I do echo std path, I'm sorry, if I do data, if I pass in the data, you can see that this is where all the data for these files are located at, and then it's appending. This is how, like, plus sign in fucking hell, this is like the plus sign in Python, or you could say the ampersand sign in Visual Basic if you use that. Fuck Visual Basic, by the way. Fuck this fucking shitty ass language, bro. yeah, so this is nothing to worry about, and these are my configuration options and the options.lua. So these are the options. If you want to take a look, line numbers and then relative line numbers, because who doesn't like this? Like, who doesn't like, you know, like this? This is like, go read the fucking manual, documentation and stuff like that. And then if you use Neovim or something like that, if I do PKZ search Neovim, I think I have it. No, I don't have it. So if you use some Neovim GUI for whatever the fucking reason you want to use GUI, you know, yeah. So this is good enough. So we change a couple of things. So now onto the good. No, let's go for the snippets. So as you know, in VS Code, let's quit out of this and let's say index.html. If you do something like HTML in Python, in VS Code, you're gonna get this. So you're going to get all of this. Basically, in Neovim, this is a plugin. I had to install this thing. It doesn't come like this. Basically, it is. Let's show you. If I do HTML, there's nothing. I have to actually type it. So this is how do you say, a plugin that I installed by myself. So basically, you can make this. Can also be done in this can also be done in Visual Studio Code, where you can add your own fucking snippets. So for example, I have my snippets for Python, whereby if I create a Python file, for example nvmain.py, so if I do main, I'm gonna get this. This is what I wrote. So basically, if I do Python, this is basically it. This is how it's like. Oh, when so VAP, so I'm sorry, VAW, yeah. So when I type main, then it's gonna run everything here. And also specify main.py, and also one more thing, if I type main again, I'm sorry, fuck, main, you see how my cursor goes here? Basically, I've also configured it so that my cursor will be here. Yep, my cursor will be here. Even if so basically I was trying to, back when I did this, I was trying to read the documentation and understand how I can drop the cursor. So space ff main.py. So is I don't know if you can see, but I have to when I type main.py, I'm sorry, main, and then I enter, and then it expands to this, it will go into insert mode, so I can type here. But I don't want that. I want to be able to just do this, because all I do is I just like open the terminal quickly and then do python main.py, for example, you know. Yep. Yeah, so this is what I do, but I don't know how to make it go into, like, here I'm not typing. You can see me pressing my keys on my fucking keyboard, but I am not typing anything. So this is what normal mode means. Well, I mean, it's a thing that I can live with it. I can live with it. So rm main.py. So I have one for markdown. What do I have in the markdown? Oh, okay. So this, as I have been saying, in Microsoft Word or in Obsidian, even in many programs that you use, even in WhatsApp, everything, you have Control B for bold. Again, we don't have that. We need to create it with snippets. Snippets, you could say. So basically, I created all of these snippets just to realize that. Remember how I showed you how we can get HTML displayed? When I type HTML, it auto-populate. Then the boilerplate code is shown. Well, if I type bold, for example, if I were in a markdown file, I don't know if it's going to work, but if I type this, it will when I press tab and I confirm, it will become this. I'm sorry, it will become this. So ball is equal to this, you know what I'm trying to say. Yep. So that's it. So but now I just have this for creating a task, and then for this is the same thing, by the way. So if you look at this, this is actually this, you see, same thing. These characters, and then these characters where I enter in insert mode here. Yeah, okay. So see, it already had this, but because I like my version of like where it places the caret here, you know, I like this. And this is for, as you can see, to link files in my thing, in my Obsidian Vault. Yep. So this is quite good. Let me just take a look again. So space ff everything, so space ff Lua. So yeah, if I like, I created a snippet to create a snippet of like do this. So I don't need to actually like type everything. Because this you need to type, you need to import that file. Like I was saying, this is basically import in Python. This is basically import in Python. Yeah. So yeah, I created that to be able to, even if I do like Lua snip, for example, look, Lua snip, I get this. Like it's fun, really fun. This is what programming should be about, fun. Yeah, so NVC, so markdown, markdown Lua. I think I'm gonna, you know what, fuck this, I'm gonna remove. There's no point. I'm not using like mega amounts of markdown writing in Neovim anyways, so fuck this up. Let's like just like fuck it. Yeah, no. Yeah, why am I loading and enabling? Space ff. No, I'm not loading and enabling. Okay, let it be in. Oh yeah, we don't need this. So this can go here, space ff Python. Python has no lines, nice. So we are going to go to the good stuff, cd plugins. Is there anyone in the chat? Can you hear me? Is there anyone in the chat, and can you hear me? I think there's a guy in the chat, you know. Yeah, there's a guy in the chat. Can you hear me? Good talk, thank you. Sarcasm. Yeah, so basically let's go to the main event, LSP configuration. This is how autocomplete, what the fuck, like autocomplete, syntax highlighting, stuff like that work. So you have LSP config, which is the main thing that talks to the Python interpreter and stuff like that. Oh, you see, okay, like give me for example, I don't know, print a print statement, and I can autocomplete it and stuff like that. So this is what is doing. So I don't. Okay, so I am going to need to update this file, because I am using snacks for that now, snacks.env, as you can see. So I am using snacks for that. Basically, I am trying to replace everything with snacks. Not the thing that you eat, by the way. The thing that you use in Neovim, by the way. Yeah. So this I don't know how to do yet. In for example, Shift K will give me this thing. For example, Shift K will give me this thing. See, documentation on the cursor. Yeah. So Shift K. Yeah. If I do Shift K over here, local ops, you know, that is the thing. Show documentation on the cursor and everything like that. But I don't know how to undefined global key. What do you mean undefined global key? You're joking, right? DDRS RS. It does work. It is working. I don't know why it's saying that key is undefined. Key. Undefined global key. What do you mean undefined global key? If I do local, no, but I'm gonna like the key where did I actually define that key? So this is the ops. So as what you can see here, it's basically this. I did not create a key. So vim.keymap.set. Let's try the local key is equal to vim vim.keymap and define local what x shift paste. I don't know. Wait a second. Space fc keymap.lua. So as you can see here, we have this. I don't know. So basically, instead of writing vim.keymap.set here, I just write key because it's being replaced by this. I don't know why it's not working there. It should be working, but I don't know what's fucking wrong with it. Okay. So yeah. So this is all in Telescope. I think I can remove this and then like I can also remove all of this shit. Key maps for LSP. What do you mean missing symbol? Undo. Missing N. Undo. Unexpected symbol, okay. Unexpected N. Really? Where? Yeah, I think. Why is an N here? And then, yeah, okay. I fixed it. Space, so undo, quit without saving, and we lsp.lua. What the fuck now? Oh, fuck off. Oh god, please help me. So what is wrong now? So I am not closing. Oh, I am not closing this. So if I should do this, this should work, because now I'm closing this. So if I do shift %, oh fuck, wait, ready? Shift %, no, you're joking. Shift %, but when, oh, it's ops. But if this is ops, this is ops, why is this here? What the fuck? Where is this, guys? So here it's like, okay, you can see that this is this. What is so I can see that this is here. This has nothing here. So basically we need to place this over here, right? And then the ops itself, this, it has nothing. It has nothing here. Okay, so let's do this. So basically everything is like connected. So if I do shift %, it should go here. Wait. The main function, it should go % here, nice. And then this one. So for this one, I should go % here, %here. For this one, % here, %here. And then for this one, very nice. And then for this one should go here. Okay, I think I fixed it. Think so. Oh my god, bro. I mean, it's working, wow. But why is the messages? Error detected while processing this. LSP.lua attempt to global so key value. So 26, line 26, basically here. Line 26, yeah, so the key value is trying to, what is it trying to do? It's trying to wait and do things like async, which I don't understand. So let's try placing a key here. So local key is equal to vim.key map. That's it. So we should not get any errors now, from what I can understand. And we don't get any errors. Pat my fucking self on the fucking back. Very nice. I was trying to like, what the fuck I was doing, bro? Like, I'm sorry for that moment. Please forgive me. So wait, the space ff, so space fo, so keymaps.lua variable that we truncate, so paste this over here, and then I think undo, quit without saving, lsp.lua. Yep, we have all of this now. Very nice, huh? Very nice. Actually, like, look at how beautiful this is now. And no fucking things and that one. So Mason, basically, when you install, for example, VS Code, you can definitely start writing Python code, but the autocomplete is not that good. Similarly with things like Neovim, you could say it does not have completion, but it does have omni-completion, you know, omni-func, which will complete your, you should bring up completion basically. But to be honest, you want completion as you type, because that's what VS Code do, and in a way you try to replicate VS Code in a way. Yes, so you have Mason, which you can install all your formatters, so basically you're installing for example Python. This is what Python is, see, made by fucking Microsoft. And yeah, for example, this is a Python linter, and I use this as a code formatter, you know. Very nice actually. So let's say I am working on, I don't know, Rust for example. I'm just gonna, you know, go to, for example, I'm gonna go here to LSPs 2, and then I'm gonna go Rust, and then I'm gonna search for example, Rust. See, I have the Rust LSP, the Rust things, you know, I don't know, the Rust analyzer, the Rust things. I mean, it's saying that a CLI tool for written in Rust. It's a linter, formatter, runtime, and LSP. I don't fucking know, man. Yeah, but you see, you install as you go, meaning Neovim should be very light compared to, for example, 400 megabytes or 600 megabytes of installation, for only the installation, by the way, for VS Code, and it goes up to 1 gigabyte in file size. If I go to my Neovim config, cd.du-sh-nvim, it's only kilobytes in size. That's you know, only kilobytes in size. And the actual program, so pkg search nvim, so pkg search Neovim, sorry, I don't know, like what, 40 megabytes, I don't know, but you know, you do your things. So we have Mason, whereby we are doing things. You see, I even customized these these things over here. I'll try to customize as much as possible. So latex and stuff. Install, not install LSP if it's already console. Very nice, me. Fuck you all, me. I don't know what is written. I like automatic. I know there's something like GD space. You know, I know I had problem with that though. I can go back to the old stream and read about it, stuff like that. As you can see, Mason for Mason's formatters, there is an auto update thing, but I don't know if there's an auto update thing for here. I mean, I don't know. Auto update, go to true here. True. Let's try this and we lsp.lua Mason. It's not auto updating. I need to actually press U to update, you know. It's not actually auto updating anything, so I don't what do I know? I'm just a fool trying to do things. Yeah, so this is how we are. For example, in Python I have space rn, which is going to for example, if let's say and we main.py, if I do something like x is equal to 5, and if I do print x, if I do space rn, I'm gonna say sheeter, it's gonna you know, change everything. Very nice actually. Or main.py. Yep, so we have all of this, and then yeah, so progress. Okay, yeah, there was an annoying message and stuff like that, so you know. So Triciter is the one that you know, gives you syntax highlighting. And Lua, SQL, HTML, JSON, YAML, I use all of this. But yeah, you could say I use most of this. Yep. C, bruh. C. So what? So ts install info. So C, I have not. Oh, okay, I've installed it. Where is it? What? You know what? I'm just gonna see this. Just gonna write C. I don't care. NV lsp.lua. It's like write C. You know, C admin installer. Very nice. Highlights, you know, highlights, disable based on file types, for example, indentation and stuff like that. What process to install, what was, you know, basic shit. Okay, so now let's go to the, where was I gonna go? And I mean, I don't have anything to do here, to be honest, with Blink. Everything is working fine. Image, convey image. I guess I'm gonna have to go back to this, so let me write it somewhere. Image, so image and vim, image and vim, yeah. So kitty, you know, space shit like that. Coding.lua. So I need to remove this. I know that I need to env mini.related, so mini files. I'm sorry. So DAP and do VAP. So okay, so VAP. No, it's not working as expected. What the fuck? Oh, VAP. VAP. Nope. VAP. Still not working. Okay, so shift this. I'm sorry. I love you. But you're gonna making this redundancy thing. I love you, Folky. I'm sorry, not Folky. Snowski. I'm sorry for butchering your name, but I love you. I love you. You're a great person. and a great person to have in the community. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to delete you. This I use all the time. This I use all the time. Most of the time. This I use. Yeah. I use. And then the hex color, you know. So basically I was using colorizer. Now it's just this. See? I hated colorizer, to be honest with you. It didn't work for me. Maybe because I am bad at reading documentation, but still could be worse. So env, so clear env UI.lua, and then I'm just gonna fucking remove this, shift this, so shift this, delete, undo. Yeah. So these are to do commands: vert color manager, vert color, vertical column here, noise, meaning just like nice, which key, very nice. I think I like this one better, so I'm gonna, like, you know, change it. Lua line, I mean, I like how my Lua line looks. I even made a thing here. For example, if I open this, I'm sorry, space SV, you see how it goes to, like, oh my fucking god, skull, you know. Very nice, very nice. Where is this actually? Shift key. Oh, it's just a function. It's just a local function. So if I do bruh, oh yeah, it's a function. You just return this. Very nice, very nice. I don't even know how I did that, but yeah, it's a function that is being called. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's being called when it's inactive. Yeah, it's nice. I was smart back then. So buffer line, I changed back to thin instead of slant. I hated how it looked. What is slope? What does slope look like? UI.lua, oh, slope. Oh, I mean, this is what bothers me, you know. These things should be like, but it's not, you know. Go to that saving. So slope, I don't really like this. So again, many little icons. I really like mini files, mini library. Very nice. The man's a legend for writing more than 40 fucking plugins. Like, it's a you could say it's a distribution. You could say, yeah. Oh shit. Delete this. Yes. Space A. Yep. So yeah, I think this is good. Space Q ls and we markdown.lua. I mean, I don't need to touch any of this. There's no point in me touching any of this. Yeah, but this was nice when I found this. That was really actually fucking nice. This was like goat, man, goat. So ls, so env lua snip. I mean, I don't need to touch lua snip. Wait, let me check. This is good, this is good, this is good. I mean, I did change this. This is good, this is not good, this is pretty much good now. I need to do something about the terminal thing. I need to do something about snacks, using snacks picker and stuff like that. This is good. I think I need to remove this now. Lua snip is good. And the telescope. So what am I actually using telescope now? Nothing, except for git files. I'm not using ads. Like, you see, I need to install other things for it to work. While snacks, I just install snacks. That's it. I don't need to install all of this thing and you know, do. Let's update it. You know, I don't need to install all of these things. So Shift X, Shift S. Like one more thing. Most of these are like, you see, Tokyo Night, Vague, Solarize, so free, so one dog, you know, most of it, Moonfly, like these are not plugins but color themes. I really like switching between color themes, that's my thing. ADHD person. I'm not diagnosed with it, but I have ADHD. I can't stay without doing something. Yep. So what was I going to say? Yeah, so snacks. I'm gonna redo everything. I'm gonna make a backup file. Let's make it right now. So clear cp dash cp schnacks.lua to schnacks.lua.back, and I keep the backup, for example cd dot slash dot and then cd dot files ls rm dash rf nvim cp dash r nvim to dot files lg ac update going to now refactor snacks.nvim. No, I'm sorry, Lua file. Yeah, that's pretty much it. github.com slash my name slash dot files /3 slash main slash I don't know commits and fuck what. I need to make I need to study this. Very nice. Very nice. I need to study. This is a core, man. Wow, I can actually see like individual things. You would think that people make this. Yep, people made this. Yeah, so this is like the shared memory, like the L3 cache, and then I don't know what are these. I know this is like something related to PCIe Express bus, you know, and stuff like that, and this is the like, fucking cores. Yeah, I need to make a note on this. Yeah, so yeah, snacks. I like how he presented snacks, you know, but I don't know how he's like enabling things. Okay, so it's doing like this. So for okay, but I'm just gonna copy this part. For example, I am going to copy, where are you? I'm going to copy this part. See how mine is like very in line. I like how he presented it. I think it's like much better. Oh yeah, it's gitlog. Yeah, gitlog. So there must be git something, you know. Yeah, so I have all of this. What changes did I make? Let's take a look. So I removed this auto command from the auto command. I added this. Yes, what the fuck? I didn't do anything here. I don't know. Or maybe back in the day I changed. Yeah, I added this. Yes. I added this, and I also removed all of this shit to add these things, which works very nice and without errors now. I added this, very nice. Remove files from mini. Change this to smart picker to like that. So I don't really know the difference, to be honest with you. I just know that wait, let me go to my Obsidian Vault cd Obsidian, so LG, so GL. Yeah, so I think I can close this. Yeah, let's try this. NV space FA space FF. The fuck's the difference? Space FA smart space FF. look at the file count, space fa, space ff, space f, space fa. Okay, I mean, I don't know the difference basically. Yeah, so snacks, I added this file. Snippets, I deleted all of this shit. Very nice, very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do my thing now. I'm gonna go and sleep actually and do stuff.